Hello student, today we will learn about basic symbols being used in your computer programming, which you will be using in various languages specified here. Now we can see one by one these symbols. Hash sign is written as this. Open hash sign is used in C and C++ for including your library files. And open bracket parenthesis or function is written as this. Open bracket parenthesis or functions. So whenever you are defining any function, you will use this bracket. Then square bracket is this, square brackets or close brackets. This is used in arrays or in list sizing. Whenever you are creating your empty list, whenever you will define size of an array, you can use this. Curly brackets are used in your defining group statements. Curly brackets, braces or sets. When you are defining your group of elements in set, you can use this for creating your sets. And this can also be used in your dictionary, but there you will have to use key value pair. Then only that will become dictionary. Otherwise, that will become your list. That will become your dictionary. Sorry. Then comma or separator. This is comma or separator. Comma is used to separate your variable names. Comma is used to separate your variable names or identifiers. Semicolon or statement terminator is semicolon written here. It is used in your C++ programming, C++ programming languages. And then output operator or bitwise right shift operator is used in C C++ for C out for displaying something on screen. Then here output operator I have already said. This is used with the cout in C++, and input operator is used again in C++, which is used to get input from the user. Single quotes are used used almost in all the languages. Single quotes, wherever you are using literals, you can use this. Double quotes, these are also used again with the literals, constants. Defining your constants in cout, C in print. Almost it is also used almost in all the languages, even Java, React, JavaScript, Angular, everywhere. Plus sign is used to do mathematical calculation. Plus it is used as a concatenator also, means where you can add two strings, where you can add two numbers. Multiplication is used for multiplying two numbers, again mathematical. Plus it is used in pointers, used with pointer declaration in C++, and this star sign can also be used in Python for defining multiple arguments as parameter. Then ampersand sign or address of, this is known as ampersand sign, or address of is also is the same one. Double ampersand we use for your logical OR operator. Pipe or double pipe symbol, this is pipe symbol or double pipe. Single pipe will be used for bitwise OR operator, and double pipe will be used for bitwise logical OR operator. Again exclamation sign, this is exclamation sign, this can be used with not. AND operator is, this is logical AND operator, and this is bitwise AND operator. And here by mistake this has come, so you ignore this please, colon sign. Then OR operator is here, this is logical OR operator, and this is bitwise OR operator. Then NOT operator, this is used wherever exclamation sign used with equal to sign, so it's telling not equality, or it is also known as not equality sign. So not equal to sign or not operator. Angular brackets, this is used whenever you are defining your library files with the include function in C++ and C++ normally. Then scope resolution operator is also known as class qualifier. Whenever you are defining your class methods outside of the class in C++, you can use solution operator. So that will be telling that this member belongs to this class. Like you can put that student colon colon, and then you can give that name of that function. Then membership operator, you can use this membership operator with whenever you are calling any method of a class with object, like ob.getData, ob.displayData. Arrow operator is used to use in the same way as the membership, but whenever you are using pointer as an object. So whenever you will pointer as an object, this will be working as a membership operator. Then equal to or greater than, uh, or hash rocket, or React.js function definer. So this function, this equal to or greater than, is used in React.js for defining your function. So these are the basic operators which you need to understand whenever those are being said in the at the learning time in the classroom. So you should pick them very quickly, that this means this, this means this. So please revise them, try to understand them. So this is just for your basic understanding of symbols. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.